Welcome to examsdotcom. Please like, share and subscribe. Which metal is used for making railway tracks? Right answer is iron. What is the full form of CPU? The last question is a homework question. Right answer, Central Processing Unit. What is the chemical symbol of water? Correct answer, H2O. Which is the highest civilian award in India? Correct answer, Bharat Ratna. Which organ purifies our blood? Which organ purifies our blood? Right answer, kidney. Who invented the light bulb? Light bulb was invented by. Right answer, Thomas Edison. Who discovered gravity? लास्ट जो क्वेश्चन है वो होमवर्क क्वेश्चन है, आप कमेंट्स में बताएं. द राइट आंसर इज आइजैक न्यूटन. हाउ many languages are listed in Article 8 of the Indian Constitution? Right answer, 22. Which Indian city is known as the City of Joy? Right answer, Kolkata. What is the currency of Japan? Right answer, yen. Who was the first president of India? Right answer, Rajendra Prasad. Pongal, a harvest festival, is dedicated to which deity? Right answer, sun god. Which state is known as the land of five rivers? Right answer, Punjab. Which symbol represents the air mass above a hot, dry and desert region? Right answer, CT. Which planet is known as the red planet? Right answer, Mars. Where is the gateway of India located? Right answer, Mumbai. Who is known as the father of the nation in India? Right answer, Mahatma Gandhi. Which is the longest river in India? Right answer, Ganga river. Which gas is essential for breathing? Right answer, oxygen. This question is the homework question. Please give correct answer in the comment section. Please read question carefully. Who likes black? A, B, C, D, E, F. Who likes black? Thank you and best wishes. Kindly subscribe to Exams Trending GK. Please like, share and subscribe.